Hello, dear children. I am Manju Bajpayee, your English teacher. Today we are going to read and understand a new chapter. It is in your English book Marigold, Grade 2. The name of the chapter is The Storm in the Garden. Storm in the Garden. What is a storm? Storm is a situation of atmosphere when there is strong wind, usually rain and thunder and lightning in the sky. जब आसमान में बहुत तेज़ हवा चलती है और बहुत तेज़ बारिश आती है और बहुत तेज़ बिजली चमकती है. दिस इज़ द सिचुएशन ऑफ storm. So when the storm comes in the garden and Sunu the snail who lives over there, and when he faces the storm, what does he feel and how does he explain to his mother? This is the gist of this chapter. So let's start today's chapter. Sunu, the snail was visiting his friends, the ants. The name of the snail is Sunu. He is going to meet his friends, and who are his friends? His friends are ants. They climbed all over him. He. They climbed under him. See, children, how ants are happy to see the his friend's snail. They climbed over him. See how they are moving over his body and under him. The ants are climb over him and under him, and they enjoying a lot. Then what happened? When snail was playing with his friends, and all of a sudden what happened? Suddenly great white light crashed through the clouds. Suddenly means all of a sudden a great white light. See, you can see in the picture, this is in the sky. A great white light crashed through the clouds. बादलों के बीच में तेज से बिजली चमकने लगी. Sunu quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail, and sat very still. Children, this is the quality of the snail, that whenever he faces the danger, then he pulled his tail, his legs, and his body inside the shell. This is the outer covering shell on his body. There is a shell on his body that protects him from heat, cold, and rain and any danger. Suppose, children, when there is a danger, you protect yourself with your home. You go inside your home and you protect yourself from heat, cold, and any danger. So this is the shell is the home of the snail. Shell is the home of the snail, and you cannot carry your home with you, but snail carries his home with him. Whenever he goes, he carries his home with him. Then what happened? When there is storm, see the condition of the sky. All over there was dark. The sky grew dark and the crow flew past. Crow वापस जाने लगे and the sky grew dark. आसमान पूरा अंधेरा हो गया और सब लोग डरने लगे. And crow started saying cow, 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 cow. Now the ants also went from there. Sunu think, where are the ants? Where are the ants? Sunu is searching for his friends ants. He is thinking, where are the ants? Then how did snail Sunu Sunu search his friends? See children, Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for him where were hiding under a flower pot. See children, feelers. This is a new word for you, feelers. These are feelers, like two antennas, like these. These are feelers. Children, feelers are the sense organs on the body of the snails. They help him to see the world or to smell the words. Like you are having 5 sense organs, same as snails. You eyes help you to see and nose help you to smell. And but feelers, or we call it antennas, help snail to see and to smell, isn't it? Now, garden snail have 2 and 2. 2 plus 2 feelers. They act as eyes and nose. As you see with your eyes, the snail sees with its 2 feelers. As you smell with your nose, snail smells with 2 more feelers on its head. So it stuck out its feelers to see the ants. Where are the ants? So it stuck out its feelers. And the ants were hiding under the flower pot. They are hiding under the flower pot. कहाँ छुपी थी? वो लोग स्टॉर्म से डर के गमले के नीचे छुप गई थी. Then when he searched the ants, then the ants told him and said, Sunu Sunu, please go home or your mother will worry. Ants advised him, Sunu Sunu, please go home because the atmosphere is not favorable. Otherwise, your mother will worry. Sunu Sunu listened the ants and he went to home. Sunu Sunu went to his mother who was sitting under a stone. See children, under a stone. This is under a stone. Under the stone. पत्थर के नीचे. Where is Sunu Sunu's mother? She is sitting under the stone. So Sunu Sunu told him, Amma, there is a storm in the garden. He said, माँ, वहाँ पर एक storm आ गया है garden में. Sunu Sunu told his mother about the storm. He also told what he saw in the garden, that wind is blowing very hard. Wind is blowing very hard. Children, wind blowing. You have learned this word wind blowing in the lesson. In which lesson? The sun and the wind. There was also wind blew hard to take the man's coat off. So the wind is blowing and trees swaying. He said the trees were swaying. Children, on a windy day, you can see trees swaying and bending in the wind, and sometimes they uprooted too. Swaying means जोर जोर से हिलती हैं, इधर से उधर पेड़ हिलते हैं और झुक जाते हैं, और कुछ तो uprooted means उखड़ भी जाते हैं पेड़. बहुत तेज़ जब स्टॉर्म होता है तो पेड़ उखड़ भी जाते हैं. Then what did he see there? He explained everything. I heard thunder, roll, roll, gadam, 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 gadam. I heard rain fall, fall, sitta, pitta, 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 spitta, pitta. When the raindrops fall on the ground or the leaves, this special type of sound comes out. So he's saying, sitta, pitta, 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 sitta, pitta. And the sound of the water was drip, drip, plip, plip, drip, drip, plip, plip. It was the biggest storm. Sunu Sunu said, I had never seen. Sunu Sunu explained to his mother that I did not see such big storm. Zag zag, gadam gadam, sita pita, plip plip. And you know, children, see, and you know, Sunu Sunu did not get wet. Do you know why? Because Sunu Sunu's body is covered with a hard covering shell. That is why he did not get wet. And children, what do you use to protect yourself from rain? You use umbrella and you use raincoat to protect yourself from rain, isn't it? Children, this is the snail and these are its feelers. Two feelers are here in this body and this is shell. Hard covering on its body is called shell, and this is the snail carries its home with him whenever he goes, and these are ants. First question, now I am going to ask you, who was Sunu Sunu? Sunu Sunu was a snail. Yes, Sunu Sunu was a snail. Question number 2, who was Sunu Sunu visiting? Sunu Sunu was visiting his friends ants. Where were the ants hiding? The ants were hiding under a flower pot. Did Sunu Sunu get wet? No, Sunu Sunu did not get wet. So, my dear children, I think you must have enjoyed the lesson. So, go through from your book and ask me whenever you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, children? Okay, bye-bye.